Okay. So, looking up at the trees, apparently a recent windstorm has done a number on a few of these. There are a bunch of broken ones in there. So there's a lot of cleanup in there. There's not that many trees. There's not that many good trees. And a couple of them in there are starting to have issues. So I feel no guilt when I say I need to go in there and start cleaning that up. But now that it's winter, get a better look at the ravine and what's going on. A little bit of cleanup gains a lot of land. So, the deer can have a bit of a path down the ravine, and we can put up some fencing, and they can still get through. You can see the metal chain link on the other side. We would just basically brace our side going down and around. And of course, there's our white post. Give me an idea. That white post goes from there, and there's a white post right over in there. You can just see a little bit of it through the tangle of the trees, which are actually vines that need to come down because they're bad. So that's technically where our property ends, on this hill going to that, not down to the ravine. But of course, when we get the next property, then we have more options. Which again is why it makes no sense to do perimeter fencing until we know what our perimeter is. And of course, from here you can now see down to the lower pasture, which is what that is. But the ravine runs fairly true. It stays to the left of that pasture where the drop-off is from the property. Across from us, you can see where the piles of millings are, and that is the height of the house, or the house site, if you will, the home site. So, and of course, very close by is the parking lot for the back of More Better. It's a restaurant and brewery. It's a German pub house, whatever. German beer hall. So, yeah. And kind of a pretty shot up. See the sunset. Oh, the dogs are out. So, alrighty.